All right, so it's late night. Just wanted to explain to you a little bit of what I'm doing. I really got this Fiero just for the chassis itself. Engine going out, interiors coming out, all the body panels are coming off just for the chassis because it's the only car that I found that was customizable rear engine drive vehicle besides the MR2. So I found one. It was in my price range. I grabbed it. So what I'm doing now is just ripping out the interior. I'm throwing away absolutely everything in there. I'm not going to be using anything. So for you guys, you Fiero guys, sorry, it's not going to be a Fiero build. It's just going to be a completely custom build. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue ripping out this interior. All right, so far what I got here, I went ahead and cut up the roof. Got the pillars kind of tacked in right now. I'm gonna raise the roof a little bit. I'm gonna use some ratchets, tie downs to support the front of the window. And that'll give me some strength to give this some leverage behind, stretch out this area that I cut, and that will open up this cut that I have here. And that will give me some more lift on the front, because right now we got a lean towards the back side, and I want it to be a little bit higher, of course. The window is super low, it's supposed to be 10 inches in the back. That's my measurements that I'm gonna go with. So, looking good so far. Gonna go ahead and continue welding and cutting and fitting and all that good stuff. So, let's go.